Start by placing a coin where you would like to put the moon, and then arrange your colors around it. Start with white and yellow, and as we go out, we move from warm to cool, light to dark. These colors were mixed using house paint. I diluted them with water in which a teaspoon of white glue was dissolved. Here I'm sprinkling some drops of white paint a little bit out from the center for added brightness there, and some of the darker colors closer to the center for a little bit of contrast. Make sure there's no places where the tile shows through, and of course pay special attention to the corners, making sure they are completely filled in. And now the fun begins. Start swiping out from the center using narrow strips of paper, like those you can see me using in the video. You can swipe back towards the center too, and you might want to use the pointed end of the swiper for that. Use your own judgment because this is where you're really painting. When you're ready, take your swiper, dip it in your dark paint, black or dark purple, and start putting in the mountains. Think of the configuration of the painting as you go. This is the finished painting. I corrected some of the lines with a brush when it was dry, but only a few. These are the colors that I used. This is just house paint with no additives. But I did dissolve a teaspoon of wood glue in the water I used to dilute the paint. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.